So we're introducing volume, and the idea with prisms is that it's like a layered cake. All right, so we're going to look at this shape here. It's just a rectangle, a 2 by 3 rectangle, and you can find the area of that pretty easily. You can find you can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or you can just use the area formula for a rectangle and do 2 times 3 and get 6. All right, so we know the area of that rectangle is 6. All right, now what if, like in the math antics video, what if we kind of extend that and give it a third dimension? All right, so it has a length and a width. What if we gave it a height? All right, so what if we gave it a height of 1? All right, a height of 1. So now this shape is two-dimensional and it has an area of 6, but as soon as we give it a third dimension, now we use we can use another type of measurement called volume to measure three-dimensional space. All right, and we measure that with the number of cubes that fit in the space. But this measurement of volume can be related back to the original area. All right, so that is 6, but then when we have one unit of height, it gets us these 6 cubes here, or 6 cubic units. Now, if we were to extend that original rectangle even further, one more unit of height, see if this connects somehow. There it goes. All right. Now, how many cubic units is this shape now? All right. Well, the first layer is 6. The second layer is 6. So that's 2 times 6, which gives us 12. Now we could do the original area of the base, which is 2 times 3. That's 6. And then how many layers of 6 are there? There's 1 layer and then 2 layers. So we can do the length times the width here, or the base times the height. So that's 2 times 3 is 6, times 2, which is the number of layers. Let's see if I can get this the first time. Let's see if this connects. Yay! All right, and then there's a third layer. So that would give us 2 times 3 is 6, and then 3 layers of 6. So that gives us 18. If I did it again, what do you think it's going to be? All right, let's put another layer on there. Flip it over. Let's try again. This way. There it goes. All right. We have 4 layers of 6. Where did we get that 6 again? Oh, yeah. The area of the base times the height gives us the volume. The area of the base. So think of the base as a two-dimensional shape. It's a rectangle. 2 times 3 is 6. And then we give it that two-dimensional shape a height to make it 3 dimensions. And that gives us a volume. In this case, 2 times 3 is 6, times 4 is 24. And then we can do one more layer because that's all the blocks I have. Boom. And so 2 times 3, that the base is 6. Give it a dimension, a height of 1. That's 6. A height of 2, there would be 12 blocks. A height of 3, be 18 blocks. A height of 4, 24 blocks. A height of 5. And that gives us a total of 30 cubic units. All right, we could do that with a lot of different shapes too.